Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module we are going to learn about the important merits or advantages of cash flow statement. The first important advantage of cash flow statement is ascertaining liquidity and profitability position. Cash flow statement helps the management to ascertain the liquidity and profitability position of a firm. For knowing profitability position, the company uses various types of ratios: net profit ratio, GP ratio, return on investment ratio, etc. Solvency is the ability of the enterprise to meet its liabilities on time. Cash flow statement also helps to assess the liquidity position of the company. For that purpose, they use important ratios. They are GP ratio, net profit ratio, return on investment ratio, debt ratio, current ratio, quick ratio, or any other ratios, etc. Second important merits of cash flow statement is ascertaining optimum cash balance. Cash flow statement helps to ascertain the optimum cash balance of a firm. If the optimum cash balance can be determined, it is possible for a firm to ascertain the ideal and excess or shortage of cash position. After ascertaining the cash position, the management can invest the surplus cash, if any, or borrow funds from outside sources accordingly to meet the cash deficit. Proper management of cash is possible if cash flow statement is properly prepared. The management can prepare an estimate about the various inflows of cash and outflows of cash so that it becomes very helpful for them to make plans for the future. Next important merit of cash flow statement is planning and coordination. Cash flow statement is prepared on an estimated basis meant for the next year, which helps the management to know how much funds are required for what purposes, how much cash is generated from internal sources, how much cash can be procured from outside the business. It also helps to prepare cash budgets. Thus, the management can prepare plans, coordinate various activities with the help of this statement. Cash flow statement facilitates capital budgeting decisions by providing information of net cash flows from investing activities. Cash flow statement also helps to fix take dividend decisions. Dividend payable is deposited in a separate bank account upon its being declared, that is interim dividend, or approved, that is final dividend. Cash flow statement helps in deciding how much dividend should be paid. Cash flow statement, by providing information relating to companies' investing and financing activities, gives the shareholders, potential investors, lenders, and creditors information about cash flows, which helps them to evaluate management decisions. It also helps in dividend decisions. A comparison of the actual cash flow with the budgeted cash flows of the year shows the extent to which cash and cash equivalents were generated and applied as per the plan. Cash flow statement also gives information relating to surplus or deficit of cash. An enterprise, therefore, can decide about short-term investments of the surplus and can arrange the short-term credit in case of deficit. Cash flow statement shows inflows and outflows of cash and cash equivalents. It facilitates in determining cash flow from operating, investing, financing activities, as well as net change in cash and cash equivalents. Cash flow statement gives information about sources and application of cash and cash equivalents for a specific period. It helps in planning investments and assessing the financial requirements of the enterprise. Cash flow statement, by providing information relating to companies' investing and financing activities, gives the shareholders, potential investors, lenders, and creditors information about cash flows, which helps them to evaluate the management decisions. It also helps in dividend decisions. These are the important merits or importance of cash flow statement. Thank you.